Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're going to be unboxing a Verkada CB Charlie Bravo 61. I'm going to show you what's inside this box. So this is what it looks like when you get it. This is the bullet camera itself. I'll show you how to open this up and show you the inside of that. You open up this part of the box here, and under here you have this mounting plate. Two pieces. So you have this metal back plate that the back of the camera will bolt to after you put the cover on. So you can attach this guy to the wall, and then your bullet will mount to that. So that's what it'll look like. We'll show you guys some pictures of that installed somewhere. Those are those two pieces, and then you have your hardware install kit, and in here you have a couple anchors and screws, and you also have two sets of Alex keys, these Torx Allen keys, which you use to open up the bullet itself and to adjust the pivot on the mount, on the back mount of this camera. So let me show you here. On top of the camera, you undo this little set screw, and then this is where you'll get actually inside of the camera to put your cat cable onto. So you unscrew that guy, and then I like that sound. And then you take this off, and inside this is where you will actually fish your cable through here, through this little part, and that's your port to plug it in. You can actually, there's actually enough room in here to put like a whole 6-inch service loop for when you close the camera back up. You have your serial number and your QR code there to activate the camera, which is also on the box right here. And yeah, once you fish that through, you tighten the cable back onto that. They also give you this little wrench to tighten this guy on. If you don't tighten this thing all the way down, and you have any type of, like if this is mounted to a junction box and that junction box isn't sealed, and you don't seal tight this, you will get dust and debris. A whole bunch of stuff will come inside to the bullet here. So you gotta make sure you really crank that guy down with this. And you have another Allen Torx key, which will adjust the camera's angle, which goes into the side right here, which will allow you to pivot the camera down. And then you have one more set screw down here, which when you undo this set screw will actually take out the last mounting piece, which actually twists off. If I can get it all the way off. So you can see right here, this is the final mounting plate that comes off the back, which will actually attach to that plate down here, and then your camera will twist and lock onto that, just like that. And then when that's done locking, you just put the set screw back down, slide the cover back over your bullet. Now also on your camera, you have the IR right here below the lens. And down here on this part of the camera is where your indicator lights are. It shows you if it's online or updating. You slide that back on, and then you twist this guy. And then you put your set screw back in, and you're done. So that's it. That's a CB61. So this is a 4K bullet with 30 days retention. See you guys in the next one. Later.